Hello friends, I'm Kinyonga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about cooking and fun games with kids. When it comes to cook, I do prepare traditional food without spices and use them when necessary. In my kitchen today, we are preparing indomie, and let's get into the kitchen and start cooking. If you have not yet subscribed, please consider subscribing, comment, share, like, and also turn on notification bell to get notified once I have a new video. Let's get into the kitchen. And our ingredients today are, we have salt, we have indomie, which is super mojo, we have dark soy sauce, we have two tomatoes, we have dania, and we cannot forget with onion. Let's start cooking. And we are going to start by lighting our gas on. This is my pot, cooking pot. We are going to start by cutting onions. We are also going to add cooking oil. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe, comment, share, like, and also turn on notification bell to get notified once I have a new video. You can try this recipe, and also you can comment about my channel down there below. You can comment and tell me what you want us to cook the next day. We are going to cover our pot for our onions to cook, like 3 minutes. Our onions are ready. We are going to reduce heat to lower heat. It's very high. Then we add tomatoes, and we are going to cut them in round shape, circular shape. There are many things we can discuss in my channel. You can comment one of them so that we can discuss about it. I'm adding salt. I stir my pot. Then I cover for 2 minutes for my tomatoes to get cooked. My onions are ready, and tomatoes. We are going to add coriander or dania. We stir our pot again. And I'm also going to add soy sauce, dark soy sauce. Not too much because I have 2 indomies. That's how they looks like. We are now going to add water. And then we are going to add our super mojo here's noodles. There are 2 of them. We stir our mixture a bit and then we cover for 5 minutes to cook. As you can see, my noodles are getting ready, are almost. Dark soy sauce, it's only for turning the color. That's how my noodles looks like. Comment down below there so that I know you rate my cooking, and I also like to know how you do prepare your noodles. Yeah, that is it. And by the way, I don't use these ones. They are called seasoning powders or bubu sauce. I don't love them. That's why I have not used them. I prefer using salt instead of these ones. And our indomie, super mojo, or noodles, depending on how you call them, they are ready. And because we have cooked together, let's also serve together. You can rate my cooking by commenting down there below. That's how my noodles looks like, or it depends on how you call them. And this is the end result of my noodles. Rate them, comment, share, subscribe, and more so remember to subscribe to my channel and tell a friend about my channel. Bye bye. Let's meet to the next video.